In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional 2x2 photo with formal attire in Photoshop using a simple step-by-step workflow. This is perfect if you need a passport-style photo, an ID photo, or a clean professional portrait without having to reshoot everything from scratch. And the best part is, we'll set up the correct canvas size, position the portrait properly, swap the clothing with Photoshop's Generative Fill, and finish with a clean white background that looks official and polished. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to create the correct canvas size for a 2x2 photo. In Photoshop, go up to File, then click New, or just use Ctrl+N on Windows. When the new document window opens, set both the width and height to 2 inches. Make sure the units are set to inches so you're creating the exact passport style size. Next, set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. This is important because it gives you a sharp print result and helps prevent the photo from looking blurry when you print it later. Keep the color mode set to RGB color 8-bit and then click Create. Now you have the official 2x2 workspace ready to go. Next, it's time to place your portrait into the document. Go to File, then choose Place Embedded and select the portrait photo you want to use. Once you click Place, Photoshop will bring the image into your canvas. Hold the Alt key and drag the corner handles to scale the photo properly. Try not to rush this part, because the size and position matter a lot for a proper ID style photo. Your goal is to center your head neatly in the frame. As a general rule, the head from the top of the hair to the bottom of the chin should take up around 1 to 1.375 inches of the total image height. That gives you the correct official look while still leaving enough space around the face. Once it looks right, press enter to lock it in. Now comes the fun part, and this is where Photoshop's generative AI really saves time. Instead of manually searching for a suit image and trying to warp it around your neck and shoulders, we can let Photoshop create realistic formal attire that matches your photo naturally. To do that, grab the lasso tool by pressing L on your keyboard, then draw a loose selection around your current shirt, collar, and shoulder area. Try to keep the selection slightly away from your jawline and neck skin so Photoshop has enough room to blend the new clothing seamlessly. After your selection is ready, look down at the contextual taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click Generative Fill. If you don't see the bar, go to Window, then choose Contextual Taskbar to enable it. In the prompt box, type exactly what kind of formal clothing you want. For a classic professional look, you could type a crisp white button-up collared shirt with a sharp dark grey suit jacket and a dark blue tie. For a more clean corporate look, you could type professional formal business attire, crisp black blazer, white collared shirt. Then click Generate and let Photoshop create the variations. Once the results appear, check the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Photoshop will usually give you 3 different options, and this is where you can pick the best one. Look closely at the shoulders, collar shape, fabric texture, and lighting. The best result is the one that matches the direction of the light on your face and blends naturally with your neck and background. If the first set doesn't look perfect, don't worry. You can simply click Generate again and get 3 completely new clothing variations. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Photoshop's AI workflow, because it gives you flexibility without having to manually edit every tiny detail. After your clothing looks right, the final step is cleaning up the background so the photo looks official and ready for use. Most passport and ID photos need a plain white or very light background. To do this, click on your original portrait layer in the Layers panel. Then go to the contextual taskbar and click Remove Background. Photoshop will automatically detect the subject and separate you from the original background. Once that's done, create a solid color adjustment layer underneath your portrait and set the color to pure white, which is #FFF. That gives you a clean, official background that works well for printed photo requirements. At this point, your 2x2 formal photo is ready. You've created the correct document size, positioned your portrait properly, used Generative Fill to add formal attire, and cleaned up the background for a professional finish. From here, you can save your file, export it as a high-quality image, and print it if needed. If you found this Photoshop tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.